Hey everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis and I'm bringing to you a Dollar Tree haul that has a lot of new things that I found at the Dollar Tree. But I just want to show you some of the things that I did find that you might be looking for. Some are fall, found some big huge eyes and some Christmas things, and then I will save the best for last. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I don't know the things that you look for at your Dollar Tree. Maybe you just look for household items or things like that. I did buy some Breezy dryer sheets. I've never used them before, but you get 55 for $1. You can see this mark through here. Always watch for that because you get extra. So normally you would get 50 sheets, and with this package you get 55. And I just showed you that because sometimes you do look for household cleaners and things like that. But mainly I wanted to talk to you about some of the things that I found. These are for fall. So I did pick up a couple of candles. They had different fragrances and colors. And this one is Autumn Apricot. And it was my favorite. Not that you can smell it, but it smells really good. So I got 2 of those. I did get a Maple Harvest or something like that, but I gave that away already. So anyway, they do have harvest candles at the Dollar Tree. I also found these really cute like candle holders that are all harvest with metal leaves. This one is the kind of orangey, kind of brownish orangey color, and this one is the green. And then there is a maroonish burgundy color. So pretty. And you really, you know, you can use the leaves for something else. You can use these for something else. But anyway, they're adorable. And so I picked those up. These are from last year. I did pick up a couple of pumpkins. Have an idea to use these for something else. So picked a couple of those up. They did have maple leaf lights that you put 2 AA batteries in. And the Dollar Tree does sell batteries, and you can use those if you want to. They just don't last as long as some of the like Duracell or Energizer, you know, alkaline batteries last longer. Okay, another favorite for the harvest Halloween season are these, and this is the autumn mix. And these are so good, and I'm trying to stay away from sugar, so I'm not going to eat them, but we have a gathering tomorrow night at our church, and these will go out for them. All right, so along that same line are these googly eyes. Don't know if you've seen them, but they are huge, and they glow a little bit. I used some of these in the basket that I did for Insight Eye Care for World Sight Day. And they do glow, but not a huge amount. But these are adorable. Maybe you have an idea for them, even if it's on your front door or in your window. Okay, the next thing I wanted to show you is that Dollar Tree now has craft fabric. Now, this is amazing. Now, this is all footballs, and my family loves football. This is for $1, and it is 20 by 21 inches. So it's kind of like a, what do you call that? Like a quilting square extra? I don't know. Anyway, somebody tell me what that's called. Anyway, they had different kinds, and I got this one because I thought I would use it quicker. It's a great size to use to cover a junk journal too. Okay. So now I'm going to go on to Christmas. I found a few things for Christmas that I hadn't seen before. Now they have these stovetop hats in black, but these are plaid, and I just thought it is adorable. Now I did a hot chocolate snowman last year, and I used one of the hats from Dollar Tree on top of his head. But this is adorable, so you may want to look for that. Also, these little sleighs are so cute. So that they have the decoration on the side, which you could change, and they are metal, and you can put candy in it or use it in some kind of runner or table decoration or all kinds of things. So I did pick up a couple of those. Now they did have the ornaments out, some ornaments. I didn't see all of them. I hear they have like a little red truck Christmas ornament, but I haven't seen it at my store. So if you're looking for that, let me know if you see it at your store or if you are local, and tell me which Dollar Tree you saw it at. This one is really pretty cross. And these are sequin light bulbs. They had different colors. So I thought they were cute. And you get 2 for $1. And then my favorite. Okay. This is the favorite ornament that I have seen this year. The angel wings. Have you seen those? Okay, here's one. They are so gorgeous. I just couldn't believe they're so pretty though. So they have the gold, they have white. Oh, let me hold that. White. And then this one's my favorite. It's like a pink, maybe a rose gold pinky color. This one's my favorite. Which is your favorite? I love to read your comments. I am so much fun reading your comments. And so, which is your favorite? The gold, the white, or the pink? Pink's my favorite. Okay. So I did want to show you that. They do have some new notebooks. So I got this one, Change Your World. It's just a regular notebook for your, you know, for your writing or your purse or whatever. And it's 80 sheets is what's inside it. And you could take this off if you wanted to. So, very cute. Okay, so one more thing before I get to my favorite thing. Excuse me. All right, so they had bath bombs back. And I got some for stocking stuffers. So, sorry about my nose itching. Stocking stuffer alert. Bath bombs. And they had a ton of them. And last year when I was looking for them, they hardly had any. So I'm trying to get one of each different one. And I'll show them to you a little bit closer. All right, so this one is the breast cancer awareness ribbon. And it's pink. Now, they don't have like a fragrance on here that I can tell. So it's the shape mostly. It's just called a bath burst. So that one's a breast cancer awareness. This one is a heart. This one is the unicorn. This one is a pineapple. So cute. Gosh, these are adorable. And this is like a ball, I guess. Just a regular ball. And then this one is the mermaid tail. So really fun, and if you can find them, I mean, for $1, and these are big. I mean, you could break them into a couple of baths. So anyway, all right, now my favorite thing that I found at the Dollar Tree are 2 items. And I'm going to show them to you at once, and then I'm going to show them to you individually. Okay. All right. So they have these headbands. And I love to cover my ears in the winter because the wind blows in and it kind of hurts my ears. So they have these headbands, and they have a lining inside. It's so pretty. And they had these 4 colors, so I got them all. So red, black, gray, and this a turquoise color. And they're so warm, just even holding them. They are so warm. Which is your favorite color? Red, black, gray, or the turquoise greenish color? Well, I like this color and I like the gray, but then I like them all. And then I know I'll give some away because that's just kind of what I do. So anyway, then these scarves are amazing. This one's really fall, and it has a fringe on the end, and it's wide, and it's so warm. It is so warm, and it would be really even just laying across something. So it's called a fleece scarf, and it's 9.5 inches by 59 inches. I mean, this is huge, guys. I mean, even the material is expensive for this. So this is one. Then here's the blue, and it has blue fringe. same size. They are so warm. Okay. Then the black. Now this is really popular this year. You could even use this for, depending on how long your table is, a table runner. This is really pretty. And then lastly, the gray and white and red with red fringe. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that they had those. And I don't know which is my favorite. I really like them all. I really like this one for fall. The blue, I love this one, the black and white check. So anyway, let me know which is your favorite one. But that's all I had to share tonight, and I just want to thank you for watching my videos. I want to thank you for joining me tonight, and if you would, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate you. Have a good night.